Morning. Alright, so we're starting a new plan today. So I haven't made it too different to the last one, just because everyone seemed to really like the last one. So what I've done to make it harder, it's going to be like 5 like cardio exercises, 5 more legs and bum exercises, and then 5 lower body, so like upper body, so like arms and abs exercises. So we should get like more of a burn in each part of our body. So it's still going to be 50 seconds each exercise, 10 seconds rest. We'll do all 15 exercises, we'll have a minute's rest, and then we'll go again. So let's do it. So we're starting off with high knees. And yeah, let's go. We've got 10 seconds to get ready. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So starting with our 5 cardios. So just keep your knees going nice and high. So 50 seconds. We're halfway there. We've got mountain climbers, so onto our hands, and we're just going to tuck our knees up to our chest. So just your normal ones. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So knees nice and high. Tuck them up. More seconds. And then we've got jumping jacks, so just start jumping it out. I'm going to put a band on for mine, but you don't need to. Ready? Let's go. Keep it going. We're halfway there. Seconds. And then we have got opposite foot jump tap. So we're jumping up, we're going to go down and tap the opposite foot. So reach the opposite foot, jump in the middle. Moving. And then we have got backward lunges with a high knee jump. It's our last jumpy exercise. So we're going to backward lunge, we're going to jump our knee up, and then we're going to swap to the other side. So backward lunge, jump it up, backward lunge, jump it up. Just remember to keep your weight in the front foot when you're lunging back. Halfway there. Alright, we've got 10 seconds. And then we are going into our squats. So if you've got a band on, put it on just above your knees. And we're just going to do normal squats for 50 seconds. So get as low as you can. Keep your knees apart, keep your weight in your heels. Halfway there. Alright, we've got 10 more seconds and then we're going into glute bridge abduction. So we're just going up to the top of our glute bridge and we're pulling our knees apart. Let's go. Up to the top. Pull your knees in and out. If you don't have a band, just keep going up and down in the glute bridge. And then next we've got split squats, so we're going to do 25 seconds each side. So weight in your front heel, back foot back, and we're going nice and low, so back knee is always going to touch the floor. 25 seconds. The other side, weight in the front heel. Almost there. Alright, 10 seconds and then we've got side lunges. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Let's go nice and low. So get as low as you can. Keep swapping sides. Keep your weight in your heels. Keep it going, we've got 10 more seconds. Almost there. And then we've got donkey kickbacks. So pop your band on, onto our knees, and we're just going to kick back, squeeze your bum at the back, bring it in. And then swap to the other side, back and squeeze your bum. And then we've got tricep dips next, so we're on to our upper body. So fingers facing you, push your bum up and we're just going to bend at our elbows. Ready, let's go. Get as low as you can. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. And then we've got press ups. So onto your front. Remember, you can go onto your knees if you need to. Let's go. Nice and low, back to the top. Fifteen more seconds. And then we have got lying knee tucks, so onto our back, just tucking our knees up. Ready? Let's go, so don't let your feet touch the floor. And then we have got high plank shoulder taps. So we're going into our high plank, we're tapping our opposite shoulders. Halfway there. And then we've got Russian twists. Last ones. And then we've got a break. So remember with these, try and lift your feet up. If you need to keep them on the floor, that's fine. And then we're just twisting side to side. The more you tilt your body back, the more you'll feel it as well. Halfway there. There we go. Alright, 1 minute rest and then we're going back to the top and making our way through it again. So just take your time, have a breather. We got this. So remember to have a drink, hydration. We got this. Got 15 more seconds. Alright, we've got 10 seconds more, so just get yourself ready for the high knees. And then we're starting with those again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. High knees. Keep it moving. 25 more seconds. Alright, and then we've got mountain climbers, so hands to the floor. Knees up to our chest. Ready? Let's go. And then we've got jumping jacks, so pop your band on if you've got one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Halfway there. Last 10 seconds. Whew. And then we have got opposite jump tap, so tapping our foot, jump it up, tap the opposite side, jump. Ready? Let's go. Halfway there. Keep it moving. All right, and then we've got our back lunge into a jump, so backward lunge, jump it up, swap to the other side. Ready? Halfway there. Alright, and then we've got our squats. Okay, band on, knees apart, weight in the heels. Ready? Let's go. We're halfway there. Remember, just squeeze your bum at the back. Keep you at the top even. Keep your knees apart. Alright, and then we've got straight bridge abduction, so up to the top. Pull your knees apart if you don't have a band. Just keep going up and down. Ready? Let's go. Keep it moving, knees apart. And then we've got split squats, so 25 seconds each side. Weight in that front heel. Let's go. Swap to the other side, weight in the front heel. And then we've got our side lunges. So remember, get as low down as you can, swap to the other side. Keep your weight in the heel. Ready? Let's go. More seconds. And then we got donkey kickbacks. so 25 seconds each side. Ready, let's go. Really squeeze your bum at the back. And the other side, back and squeeze. And then we've got tricep dip, so fingers facing you, nice and low. Ready, let's go. Make sure you're bending at your elbows. And then we've got press ups. So onto your hands, remember you can go to your knees if you need to. Ready, let's go. Nice and low. Halfway there. And then we've got lying knee tucks. So onto your back, tucking your knees up. Remember not to touch your feet onto the floor. And then we've got high plank shoulder taps. So into your high plank, tapping your opposite shoulder. Let's go. Halfway there. And then last lot of Russian twists, and then we're all done. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Let's go side to side. Keep it moving. Halfway there. Reach over your feet in front, keep your legs nice and straight. Stretch out our hamstrings. And then we're going to put one leg to the side. And we're going to just reach forward over one leg. And then we're going to lie as far back as you can, so if you can just go to your elbows, do that. If you can lie all the way down, do that. Try and keep your lower back to the floor so you feel the stretch in the leg that's bent. And then sit it back up. Put the other leg in front, reach forward over it. And then back we go. Keep your hips to the floor. And then lie it all the way back if you can. And then sit it back up, bottoms of your feet together. Reach forward over your legs. And then onto my front, hips into the floor. Sit back onto your heels. Pull one arm across. And the other side. Arm up and over. And the other side. And there we go, we're all done. Smashed it, alright.